Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 105. Mukbang. Mukbang. This is a two-syllable word. The first syllable is muk, the second syllable is bang. Pronounce it with me. Mukbang. Mukbang. The word mukbang is a Korean noun which is used to call an eating broadcast. I think this is a common word since there are many mukbang videos on YouTube. But here is a little bit of details about the origin of the word mukbang. So mukbang is just the result of the combination of the word mokcha and bangsong. Mokcha means to eat and bangsong is a noun which means broadcast. So when we combine the meaning of the two words, it will sound like an eating broadcast or more like taking a video of yourself while eating. Now, how do we write mukbang in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable mok in Hangul, we need to draw first a meum character followed by an o character followed by a giak character. Next, for the second syllable bang, we need to draw first a biup character followed by an a character followed by an iung character with the ng sound. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for the two syllables to form the Hangul of the word mukbang. And with that, you've just learned mukbang. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 95 to 104. But don't forget our word for today, word number 105, mukbang, which is the Korean noun for eating broadcasts. Word or phrase number 104 is orenmania. This is an expression which means long time no see. Word number 103 is gachima. This is an imperative phrase which means don't go. Word number 102 is hajima. This is an imperative phrase which means don't do it or stop it. Word number 101 is tala. This is an adjective which means different. Word number 100 is soncha, and this is the Korean noun for grandchild. Word number 99 is adult, and this is the Korean noun for son. Word number 98 is pumo, and this is the Korean noun for parents. Word number 97 is tal, and this is the Korean noun for daughter. Word number 96 is ane, and this is the Korean noun for wife. And the last for our review is word number 95, nampion, and this is the Korean noun for husband. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.